All right, Rankin family. So we are outside of a Toll Brothers property. This is the Matagorda, the High Plains. Now this one's absolutely beautiful. What I'm gonna have to do is go in the sales office and then go around the back, but we'll start back and let you see what's going on. So as you can see, you have that stucco exterior with the stone. And then as soon as we walk in, you're gonna notice the beautiful foyer right here. You have the high ceilings with the chandelier coming down. Absolutely beautiful study right here. So you have, of course, the high ceilings with the candle-like chandelier coming down. Nice accent wall. You have plenty of space. Like I always tell clients, whenever you have the high ceilings in any room, it gives it, that illusion of having a lot more space. All right, so you got your storage area. Now, Toll Brothers is one of the most sought after builders here in Houston. Just based on my experience, I get a lot of questions and inquiries about Toll Brothers. Of course, right here, have your nice closet with your mud room. And the mud room would be coming from the garage. So as you see the beautiful kitchen, you have your wooden range hood again with your stainless steel built-in appliances, with your quartz countertops as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And you have your glass door going into your pantry. So Toll Brothers, they do a fantastic job of a lot of these unique features. So we'll go right here to the right, so that way you can see the first bedroom. But of course, before we do get there, you'll see your nice laundry room for your oversized washer and dryer. And even going into your bedroom, you have plenty of space in here. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. And even coming in here, you have your bathroom. And then we'll head to the primary. How y'all doing? Even in here, you have your high ceilings, as you can see, with the clear story windows. Of course, you have the electric fireplace, floating shelves. They add a lot of nice touches, but as you even see, the glass blowout lighting fixtures are absolutely fantastic. And then we'll head to the primary bedrooms. So of course you have a primary bedroom downstairs plus another bedroom. So you have two downstairs and two up. Look how beautiful that chandelier is with your exposed wooden beams. Of course, you have your tray ceilings as well. A lot of folks love the tray ceilings. Adds a nice touch to it. And then this will be your primary ensuite. So of course you have your dual sinks right there with your gold trim mirror frames, oversized soak-in tub, plus you have your standing shower right here. Absolutely stunning. Going into your large primary closet. So you have plenty of space in here. Any amount of clothes that you have, it's perfect. And you notice, of course, a lot of the gold trim in here as well. Absolutely stunning. And then, of course, if you notice too, you have the tile backsplash that matches the countertops as well. How you folks doing? How y'all doing? Yeah. And then what we'll do is we'll go upstairs so that way you can see. Of course, you have your large oversized window right here as well. Wooden flooring going across up the stairs. And then even entering right here, you have your oversized game room. Plenty of space in here for the kids or for folks that just want to be entertained. And the good thing is about this unit also, you do have it connected to the media room. So you have your beautiful cozy media room in here with your LED lighting. And if you even notice too right here, with your lighting fixtures coming down as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, like I said, you do have 2 bedrooms up here as well. And that'll be right here to the left, so that way you can see even right here. Absolutely perfect, even with the lighting fixture. Nice lighting fixture, adds a nice touch to it. I do apologize, folks, so we got some visitors in here, but might get a little bit loud, but I'll show you the entire house. And then even right here, you have your nice double sinks again with the tile backsplash as well. And this will be the 4th and final bedroom. As you can see, again, like I said, plenty of space. Toll Brothers, they do a fantastic job of adding a lot of nice features rather, even with the walk-in closet. Absolutely gorgeous. And now we'll see the backyard. Even as you can see over there, you have plenty of space. So this is more of a compact size 4-bedroom property. There's a lot of other options that you have that you can utilize that might make sense for you. And then we'll just see the backyard. So as you can see, even going in here, you have your sliding glass door, which is fantastic, with your covered backyard patio. Perfect for entertaining, and then even extending over here as well. Now this is a perfect model right here. Of course, if you do want more information, link in the description below. That way you can see even what's going on back here. And that, folks, is Toll Brothers. All right, family, so I hope you absolutely love this Toll Brothers property. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like it, dislike it? What are some things you would change? And of course, if you do want more information, link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next tour.